While most Americans are watching the dollar quite literally evaporate, a small group of investors have been quietly moving their money into the one asset that's weathered every financial storm in human history: gold. Not just any gold, but a revolutionary new way to own physical gold that the banking elite have been using in secret. It's called tokenized gold, and it's about to become the most important wealth protection strategy of our lifetime. Right now, here's what's happening. Real, physical gold bars, the same ones sitting in ultra-secure vaults in London and Switzerland, are now being divided into digital tokens on the blockchain. Each token represents actual ownership of physical gold. When you buy one, you're not buying some paper promise or certificate that could become worthless overnight. You're buying real gold that you can see, track, and even have delivered to your door if you want. This isn't some speculative cryptocurrency. This isn't a stock that can crash to zero. This is 5,000 years of proven wealth protection, now made accessible to regular Americans for the first time. Think about it. Gold has survived the fall of Rome, 2 world wars, the Great Depression, and every market crash in history. While currencies have come and gone, gold has always maintained its value. And now, thanks to blockchain technology, you can own fractional pieces of real gold bars for as little as $50 from your mobile phone. No vault fees, no storage headaches, no minimums, just pure physical gold ownership in your digital wallet. And the best part is, you can buy, sell, or trade 24/7 from anywhere in the world. It's like having a piece of Fort Knox in your pocket. In the next few minutes, I'll reveal why gold is still king in finance, what tokenization is and why it's a game changer, how Pax Gold works behind the scenes, and the mind-blowing ways you can use it to grow your wealth. By the end, you'll know why PaxG is making waves in both crypto and traditional finance. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on more crypto gold mines. Let's start with the basics. Why gold? Well, for over 5,000 years, gold has become the ultimate store of value. Empires rise and fall, currencies crash, but gold, it's the one asset that stood the test of time. Why? Because it's scarce, durable, and universally trusted. When inflation hits, like it did in the 1970s or even recently, gold prices soar as people flock to it for safety. During the 2008 financial crash, gold gained over 25% while stocks tanked. And in 2020, when the world was in chaos, gold hit record highs. It's the ultimate hedge against uncertainty. But here's the catch. Owning gold isn't always easy. You can buy physical bars, but where do you store them? Under your bed? A vault? That's expensive and risky. Or you could trade gold ETFs or futures, but those come with fees, middlemen, and complexity. Plus, you're not really holding gold, just a piece of paper. That's where tokenized gold like PaxG comes in, and we'll get into that in one sec. Okay, let's talk tokenization. It's a fancy word, but it's super simple. Imagine taking any physical asset, like a gold bar or even a house, and turning it into a digital token on the blockchain. Each token represents a piece of that asset. Think of it like slicing a pizza. You don't need to buy the whole pie, you just grab a slice. So why is this cool? Well, tokenization makes assets like gold liquid and accessible. You don't need to be a millionaire to own gold anymore. Plus, the blockchain ensures that these tokens are secure, transparent, and trackable. No middlemen, no shady deals. Just you, your wallet, and real gold. In PaxG, it's the gold standard, pun intended, of tokenized gold. Let's dive into how it works. Well, picture this. There's a real physical gold bar sitting in a super secure Brinks vault in London. That gold is investment grade, meeting the strict standards of the London Good Delivery Bar. Each PaxG token represents 1 fine troy ounce of that gold. So if you own 1 PaxG, you own 1 ounce of real gold. No ifs, ands, or buts. Now here's how it comes together. Custody. Paxos, the company behind PaxG, partners with top-tier custodies like Brinks to store the actual gold. These aren't sketchy warehouses, we're talking Fort Knox level security. Audits. Independent auditors regularly check the vaults to make sure that the gold is there and matches the number of PaxG tokens in circulation. Transparency is key. Blockchain. PaxG is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. That means it's secure, trackable, and works with your favorite crypto wallets like MetaMask, Rabby, and Legacy. Smart contracts. These are like digital agreements that ensure every PaxG token is 100% backed by real gold. No funny business, no synthetic nonsense, just real physical gold. Unlike some other tokenized assets, PaxG is fully backed. That means every token is tied to actual gold in a vault, not some paper promise. As of today, PaxG is trading at around $3,350 per token, closely tracking the price of 1 troy ounce of gold. Compare that to other gold investments. ETFs charge fees and don't let you hold the gold. Futures are complex and risky. With PaxG, you get the real deal, digitized and ready to trade 24/7. So why should you care about PaxG? Well, because it's not just gold. It's gold reimagined for the 21st century. Here are the game-changing benefits. Fractional ownership. Can't afford to buy a whole bar of gold? No problem. With PaxG, you can buy as little as 0.01 tokens. That's like owning a tiny sliver of gold for just a few bucks. Now that's democratizing wealth, baby. Borderless transfers. Send PaxG to anyone, anywhere, instantly. No banks, no borders, no delays. Try doing that with a gold bar. DeFi integration. This is where it gets wild. Soon you will be able to use PaxG in decentralized finance or DeFi. Currently, you can use it as collateral for loans on centralized exchanges like Nexo, Kraken, and uHodl. Hedge against crypto volatility. Crypto markets can be a roller coaster. Bitcoin's up and then it's down. PaxG, it's tied to gold, so it's a stable anchor in the stormy crypto seas. Imagine this, you're holding your crypto portfolio with PaxG and soon earning interest on it in DeFi and transferring it globally with a tap. That's the power of tokenized gold. And there you have it, my friends. Pax Gold is taking the timeless value of gold and supercharging it with blockchain tech. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned investor, PaxG is your chance to own real gold and trade it globally. The future of finance is here and it's golden. What do you think? Are you ready to add PaxG to your portfolio? Drop a comment below, hit that like button, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of crypto and finance. Check out Paxos.com and CoinMarket.com for more on PaxG. Until next time, my friends, stay sharp, stay decentralized, and stay golden. Cheers.